Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque in a press briefing said that the president is aware of the rampant corruption at the DPWH. Despite this, however, Roque said that the president still has full confidence in Secretary Mark Villar. In jest, Roque said it's a good thing Secretary Villar is richer than the DPWH. The presidential spokesperson, however, said that since the president is always concerned about corruption, an investigation will later be conducted on the alleged corruption in the agency. For now, the administration is focused on the problem with PhilHealth.
Dito sa DPWH, malakas yan dyan. Projects, yung mga project engineers yan lahat, road right of way. Grabe ang corruption dyan. If Congress would want really to know ang mga project ng DPWH, meron talaga yan para sa give. Hindi ko alam kung sino.
Helps na mas marami pang pera ang pamilya ni Secretary Villar kaysa sa DPWH, no? Pero aside from that point po ay hina-highlight lang naman po talaga ni Presidente yung mga paghamon sa natitirang panahon ng kanyang termino. At ang pangako naman po ng Presidente, i-google niya talaga itong natitirang panahon para labanan ng korupsyon.